Yo, yo.
A little girl is a lady or a girl or an old woman or a woman.
Okay. So tools and machines. So if you want to be an explorer, Lita, you're going to have to learn about all of these tools because you're probably going to need them. Put a pencil on your desk like this. So just one.
Yeah.
Only put one first. Okay, you're going to put this one first. The one that goes like this.
Alright.
Okay? Now, the next one, you're going to put a cross. So you're going to put on top to make kind of like an X or a T.
Alright.
Okay, now take your notebook. It says, put a book on the side of the second pencil.
How about this writing book I just read?
I think it's a little bit too heavy. You can try it. Try it if you want. So you're going to put it on top. And
it's not working.
yeah, try something a little bit like your notebook would be good.
This one?
Yeah. And so from this side, you're going to push down on your pencil and see if you can lift the notebook up a little.
Yes, I can lift the notebook.
Yeah.
And I can lift the writing book, no problem.
Okay, great.
I can use a ruler, right? Can you use rulers?
Just use your pencils because I think the ruler is a bit too long. So look, here it says.
It bends.
Yeah, it bends. What would happen if you move the book closer to the taped pencil? So if you move the book closer to this pencil right here.
It will higher. I use my wonder book.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, Alita, so we're going to start reading the lesson. I don't think we'll finish this lesson today, but we can get started on it, okay?
All right.
So we have 4 vocabulary words. The first one is simple machine. The second one is lever, ramp, and tool. So have you ever heard of any of these words before?
Yes.
Which ones?
Tool, simple machine. Tool and simple machine.
Okay, good. So, what makes work easier? A simple machine can make moving an object easier. It makes the force of your push or pull stronger. When you lifted a book using 2 pencils, you used a simple machine. This type of simple machine is called a lever. A lever lets you use less force to move something. You use levers all the time. Some examples of levers are seesaws, forks, and scissors. Okay.
Just a minute. So, like, for example, I'm going to act it out. Is this okay?
Okay, sure.
All right, so I'm going to carry all these stuff. All right. So hard to carry. But if I put this book, the big book, and one by one on top, it's kind of like a simple machine. The book is a simple machine, and you carry all the stuff.
Yeah, but when you carry that book, you're still carrying the same amount of weight. You're still lifting all those books up, right? But put all of those books. So go ahead and put your pencils again how you had them, like this.
All right. So,
and put all of those books on top of each other. And tell me if it's easier to lift them up than lifting them up like this.
how do you put it like this again?
Here, let me show you the picture.
Oh, I get it. I can do the picture. Here, put it close to the book. Aha!
Were you able to lift it?
Not really, but still a little part. The left part left, the right part didn't.
Okay. Well, as long as you can lift a tiny bit up. So you see how you use less force just moving that little pencil than picking up the whole side of the book, right?
But still, it's an easier way to carry it.
I know, I'm just giving you an example, and this is the example the book is giving you. So these pencils here that are helping you lift the book, so that's a simple machine, right? And it's called a lever, so it's a type of simple machine. Okay, so go ahead and read this, Alita, please.
A simple machine can make moving an object easier. It makes the force you push or pull stronger. When you lift a bowl using 2 pencils, you use a simple machine. This type of simple machine is called a lever. A lever lets you use less force to move something. You use lever all the time. Some express or levers are seesaws, forks, and scissors. Yes, fork can cut some paper easier like this. And when I'm before class, I cut this with scissors.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so a scissor, it's a lever, right? Why? Why is the scissors easy to use?
It helps you create art more easily with your hands. Because if you rip some paper, you can't really rip. It's the shape of that.
Yeah. Okay. So it makes work easier, right?
Yeah.